Okay, so in video 1 we learned about how to run the irrigation system manually on any program, and also how to manually run a single station. We can also bypass the system with the rain sensor. Now, this video goes in a little more depth. So if we need to set the time, the day, or the hour, we go here. We use the side buttons and we can adjust whatever. You'll see it flashing. Simply press positive, turns it up. Press negative, turns it down. Now let's go down to program start times. Start times is the time of day that the system will start. I note, pay attention to the program that it is on. This is on program A. It is starting at 3 a.m. You can simply change that by the positive or negative sign. Let's turn it back to 3. Let's say we have 2 programs. You simply press the PRG button. That will change your program. If I need to add time, I press the positive sign. Notice it's AM, 12:30 a.m. Let's go backwards. Notice I have it now at 11:30 p.m. So definitely pay attention to the AM and PM. Also, which program you're on. Let's run down to start times. Station, zone times, set station run times. I call it zones. They call it stations. Zone 1 has nothing on any program. Zone 2, we are set at 30 minutes. Once again, you can change that time simply by adding or subtracting the amount of time you want that station to run. Notice we are in program A. If you have a program B, you may want to go press the program button and switch through the different programs. You can then again add or subtract any time. To go to the next zone or next station, you simply press the arrow key. That will take you forward to whichever zone or station you are wanting to add or subtract time to. Now, let's go to set days to water. Program A looks to be watering on Monday and Thursday only. You can change whatever simply by these arrows. Over, back. You'll see it flashing in the screen here on Tuesday. If we want Tuesday to water, we press the add sign. Now Tuesday has a solid emblem. That means it will water on Tuesday on program A. If you have a pump and you are running on a pump station, you will want that station to be on, otherwise the pump will not kick on. So 3's on, 4's on, etc. If it's not still working, you would have to contact a irrigation technician and have them come out and further diagnose the system. Let's run to seasonal adjust. Seasonal adjust is set at 100%. This will go all the way up to 250%. So from 100%, we have our zone time set at 30 minutes. Let's say we want to take everything up another 30 minutes. We would go 100%. which would be 200% because we were already set at 100%. Now let's scroll around, take a look at the runtime. We now have zone 2 at 1 hour. Remember, it was at 30 minutes. Zone 3 will be at 1 hour. It takes the entire program, the entire controller, and runs everything up that percentage. So we'll take that back down to 100%. That's where we always keep it at. That way it gives you a little leadway to subtract. You can always bring it down. If you want to go 15 minutes, you would simply hold that down till you get to 50%. Come back over to here. We are now at 15 minutes every zone. I hope this helps. Until next time, have a good day.